My name is Boston Lynch from Yakima, Washington. I went to Eisenhower High School in Yakima. I took diesel technology, and then my last class was high performance powertrain, and now I'm in chassis fabrication. Let's go take a look around. All right, so here in Chassis Fab, we have a bunch of different projects. It's super diverse around here, but mainly we're focusing on the chassis. But in this instance, this is our Chevelle. If you look at these welds in here, all throughout this, super nice welds. When I first got here, I had no idea how to weld. I knew that was a super useful tool to be able to get myself into the industry, and everyone's gonna be able to learn how to weld like that. Next over here, we got the Bronco. Me and my buddy Zach are working on this right now. We're just building a main tube right now. We just got everything mocked up right now, and then on the very bottom, you can see there's two pipes that are holding down right there. Right now we're gonna make a metal bar that goes around and ties back into the frame. There's a lot of design that goes through here, and over there, that's the tubing bender. We're gonna learn how to use that. So this is my buddy Isaiah's Ford Courier. He's building it into a drift truck. So if you guys are all into drifting or anything like that, drifting, drag racing, you know, rock bouncing, I mean, anything you want, really. If you have an imagination, you can build it here. So right now he's building the frame. He completely took the frame off. He's building the frame, building the suspension. He actually designed most of the suspension parts in CAD, and that's what they're doing right now. This is a 300ZX. She's building the main hoop, a crossbar, and then basically linking it to the unibody. There's all kinds of tools that you'll be able to use here. That's the best part about Wyotek, and the best part about chassis fabrication, to be able to know what you're doing, learn how to weld, and eventually you'll be able to build drag car, rock buggy. I mean, anything that you can imagine, you can build it.